Today, I'm going to share with you heart-touching X-Max story wrapped beautifully around simple decorations, ideas that bring magic to any home. This is the tale of a forgotten lantern, a small pine tree, and a promise that changed an entire village forever. So sit back, relax, and the spirit of X-Max gently enter your heart. In a village covered with a quiet snow, there was a village called Snowvale. Every year, the villagers decorated their homes with pine cones, jute ribbons, winter berries, and handmade ornaments. But one year, a heavy storm damaged most of their decoration. The village looked empty. No lights, no colors, just silence. This is where our story begins with a little girl named Elara. Elara was known for her love of crafts, especially things made from nature. One cold morning, while collecting fallen twigs and pine cones, she found an old rusty lantern buried under the snow. Its glass was cracked and its metal was faded, but something about it felt magical. She whispered, maybe I can bring you back of life. And from the moment Elara decided, the village would shine again. As Elara wrapped herself by the fire, she began decorating the lantern using simple natural items. She wrapped jute twine gently around the handle. She glued pine cones around the base to give it a rustic charm. She added tiny twigs woven like a crown, and finally she placed the small candle inside, one that belonged to her grandmother. While crafting, she remembered her grandmother's words. X-Max lights don't come from the candles, they came from heart. When she lit the candles, something incredible happened. The lantern glowed brighter than any ordinary flame. It spread warmth not just around Elara but through the entire cottage, like a memory brought to life. That night, Elara walked to the center to the village and placed the lantern on a tall wooden stand. Slowly, one by one, people came out of their homes to see the mysterious glow. For the first time since the storm, Snowvale felt alive. Inspired by Elara, the villagers began decorating using simple materials. And it's motivational. Twig stars tied with jute rope, pine cone garlands dipped lightly in golden glitter, hand-painted stones with X-Max symbols, mini X-Max trees made from folded scrap fabric, glass jars transformed into sparkling candle holders. They realized they did not need expensive decor. Beauty was already around them, waiting to be shaped with love. More surprising was the lantern itself. Every night its light grew warmer and stronger. The villagers believed it was blessed, but only Elara knew the truth. It was not the lantern that was magical. It was their unity, their hope, and their togetherness. The lantern became a symbol, a reminder that even the darkest winter, a single spark of kindness can light an entire world. As X-Max evening arrived, Snowvale shined brighter than ever. The storm was forgotten, the cold was forgotten. What remained was the warm glow of human hearts. And still today, the villagers say, may your home always have a lantern of hope, whether it's made of metal, glass, or simply love.